Hello YouTube, zucchini harvest, when to harvest and how to store. In August, the zucchini is ready to be harvested. How not to miss the moment when it is time to collect them, to do it in such a way as not to damage the plant or, conversely, to suspend the production of zucchini when your relatives and friends already refuse to eat and accept them as a gift. It's hard to miss harvest time for zucchini. Look around. You will definitely see people with zucchini in packages, bags and in their hands. These are summer residents who bring their friends and acquaintances to attach their crops. Zucchini and its variant, zucchini, is a prolific, fast-growing vegetable that can grow into a 40 centimeters long monster almost overnight. How many zucchini should be planted so as not to get too much yield? The plants produce both male and female flowers, making it ideal for growing in small areas as the plant does not need another flower to set fruit. One healthy plant will produce more than enough fruit for a small family. A few plants will provide you and your friends with zucchini. If you plant a lot of zucchini, then you should think about stocking up on the addresses of all your friends on social networks to send out the harvest. And hurry. Perhaps someone has already agreed with your friends that they will give them some of their zucchini before you. What zucchini to collect? When picking zucchini, you should give preference to small, tender fruits, sweet and soft. The overgrown fruit tends to become fibrous on the inside and tough on the outside. That is why the timely collection of zucchini is so important. The squash grows on a dense, non-climbing plant with large, dark green leaves veined with silver gray. These large leaves provide shade for the fruits, but also tend to play hide and seek with them. Therefore, one minute you have tiny zucchini, and the next you have giant ones. When the zucchini is ready to be harvested. Ideally, you can start harvesting squash when you have fruits that are 15 to 20 centimeters long. Some varieties have fruits up to 30 centimeters long that are still edible. However, if you leave a zucchini unpicked for too long, the seeds and skin will harden, making it unpalatable. If you harvest zucchini frequently, production speeds up, which may or may not be a good thing. If you find yourself and your loved ones drowning in more zucchini, leave a few fruits on the plant to slow fruit set and ripen. The fruits should also be dark green, yellow or white depending on variety, and firm. If the vegetable seems soft, it is probably rotting and should be discarded. How to harvest zucchini? When harvesting zucchini, do not tear the fruit from the plant, this can harm it. Cut the fruit off the plant at the stem. The broad-leaved squash fruit is hard to spot, so giants often hide where you've never seen the fruit before. Check carefully under the leaves. Be careful during harvesting to avoid damaging the fragile leaves and stems. How to store zucchini? Zucchini is best preserved in a perforated or open plastic bag. Do not wash the zucchini before placing them in the bag, they should be washed immediately before use. How to freeze zucchini? There are several ways to freeze zucchini for the winter. Unpeeled zucchini can be chopped, drained in a colander, squeezed lightly to remove excess moisture, and placed in sealed freezer bags. If you pack the bags flat, quite a lot of zucchini will fit into the freezer. If you plan to cook bread or pancakes from them in the future, you can cut them into small cubes or even grate them. In any case, frozen zucchini will keep for up to 3 months. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.